Projection of planes, hexagonal lamina offside 25 mm rests on one of its sides on VP. The first step is, number 1 is it rests on sides or edges are same. The next thing is it rests on VP. That means this is under SP3 condition. If it is rested on if it rests on sides on VP, then it comes as SP3. So let's see a 3D model. So this is a 3D quadrant where the same lamina has been kept in 3 different positions. You just don't see the 3 things. Hide. Now you can see that it is a 3D quadrant. This is VP, this is HP. So here it rests on sides. So sides means this side should be in the left side, as we are going to be considering for the projection of planes problems. Now how does this looks in the front view? So this is the front view. This is the front view. In front view we are going to be able to see the entire hexagon properly. Then how we are going to see it in its top view? Top view is going to be a line view. So that is how we are going to be drawing it. See, we are going to keep the hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm, which is rested on VP. I'm going to be considering the left side. So in this case I have kept the annotations A, B, C, D, E, F, like how we are going to be keeping the lamina here. Like how we are going to keep the lamina here on VP conditions, we are going to keep the edge in the left side. So this one is actual lamina. So this one is the projections of this. This is the projections of it. So this point is A, capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F. The projections which falls on VP is, we are going to give the same annotations with dash. So this one is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. In top view we are going to see it as the line view. So when I'm going to see from the top, I'll be able to see only these two edges. Rest 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 4 edges is not visible. So in this case we are going to be able to see only these 2 edges. So as we mentioned, this is A, this is B, C. We are not able to see it in the top view. We are able to see only D, E, F. Similarly here we have mentioned F is seen, A is not seen, E is seen, B is not seen, D is seen, C is not seen. Since for the observer FE and ED is nearer to the observer. Let's move to the next step. In the second step, what he says that the side opposite to the side on which it rests is 30 mm in front of VP. So here the side, this is the side, opposite to the side is this one, which should be 30 mm in front of VP. So we shall see the 3D model. So now this side this is the side which is resting it on VP. So opposite to this side opposite to this side is this one, which should be 30 mm in front of VP. So from this side opposite to this one, this should be 30 mm in front of VP. So that is what we are going to be keeping it. So opposite is DC, so DC is 30 mm in front of VP. Then this is going to be on the VP conditions. That's what we used to see in the top view. Next thing is what we is going to be given is the side on which it rests is 45 degrees to HP. So side which is resting is nothing but this one, should be inclined 45 degrees to HP. So now we shall see now this is the resting side. It is resting it on VP. The side is in the left side. Now in this case it is the side opposite to this is 30 mm in front of VP. Now which is the resting side? This is the resting side. This should be inclined 45 degrees to HP. So this side is inclined 45 degrees to HP. That means in front view you are able to see surface view first step, second step surface view, third step surface view. This edge is inclined 45 degrees to HP. In top view first step is the line view, second step line view, third step is the surface view. So here now the resting side is FA. This is inclined 45 degrees to HP. Then we are going to keep F and A here. Then we are going to take the distance and turn it. Then we are going to project it downwards. In top view we are going to be able to see line view first step, second step line view, and third step is the surface view. Now I just la 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 la. Now we shall see how this will look in the front view and the top view. So I'll just go here, insert, front view for me as is this one. So this is the front view, what we are going to be able to see it here. So how it is going to be seen in the top view? since I have kept it differently because this is the projections what we are going to do it, here you can able to see this. This is the view which we are going to be able to see it in here. Front view, this is the top view. Second step is this from here to here it is 30 mm, and this is inclined 45 degrees with respect to HP. To HP. So this is the actual dimensions. 44 is the rounded angle. So from here to here the distance is 30. So this is how the actual problem is solved. Lamina of sides 25 mm is 30 mm, and this is inclined 45 degrees from the top. The sun, what we are going to be able to